Hello, I'm Carrie Thompson, the editor who worked with Stuart Green and April Ladinsky on the new 5th edition of their textbook, From Inquiry to Academic Writing. This text uses a practical and widely proven step-by-step approach to demystify cross-curricular thinking and writing. The print textbook is available in two versions. The larger edition, a text and reader, includes 13 chapters of rhetorical instruction, along with 5 chapters of additional readings that explore important interdisciplinary conversations in education, sociology, media studies, and other disciplines. The brief edition, a practical guide, includes just the first 13 chapters of instruction. Both versions can be packaged with Achieve, a flexible, integrated suite of tools for designing and facilitating writing assignments, paired with actionable insights that make students' progress toward outcomes clear and measurable. Achieve includes the complete ebook of From Inquiry to Academic Writing, a text and reader. The new edition offers expanded advice for analyzing appeals, assessing the accuracy and credibility of sources and visuals, integrating ideas from sources, and using quotations and signal phrases. New moves to model boxes throughout the book draw examples from the readings to demonstrate specific rhetorical moves such as summarizing, making a claim, conceding a point, or as you see here, using a quotation. Then, sentence guides prompt students to try out those moves in their own writing. The result is a toolkit of models for students to work from and a jumping-off point for you to discuss issues of style. Developed to support best practices in commenting on student drafts, Achieve also includes fully customizable writing assignments that are based on practice sequences from the text and support the book's approach. Each assignment guides students through drafting, peer review, source check, reflection, and revision. In addition, you can find comprehension quizzes for every reading in the book, as well as other interactive assessment materials. If you'd like to learn more about the new edition of From Inquiry to Academic Writing, please reach out to your Macmillan representative or request a sample through our online catalog at macmillanlearning.com. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.